Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Better security needed, the cry from protesting staff members at Jamaican Hospital in Clarendon this evening.
This after a nurse was left with a fractured skull following an attack by a man on the hospital compound as she was heading home last night.
The Nurses Association has condemned the attack, while the Southern Regional Health Authority says changes will be made going forward. Giovanni Dennis has details.
You see the bandage, not the cracked skull. You see this stone that was almost a murder weapon. The damage still evident. This nurse was attacked reportedly by a man of unsound mind. It happened sometime after 11 o'clock last night as she was leaving work at the Jamaican Hospital. The man started walking toward her with the stone just outside the main gate.
And she ran past this security post, the other security post up there, and when she reached at the pharmacy, she slipped, she fell, and the man took the stone. I wanted to show you the stone. The only way you guys could understand if you guys saw the stone is a sandstone, and it weighs about 4 pounds, and that is the stone that the man took and beat her in her head multiple times. This morning we could be here mourning her death.
The nurse was rescued by a porter and a male patient.
So as we speak, she is admitted to hospital. She has a fractured skull. Based on the initial report, she had a CT done, and we are awaiting that report.
And so Monday, hospital staff staged a peaceful protest. They have safety concerns.
And to say that we have securities here, and it has to be the porter that came out, the porter and the patient that came out to aid assistance for her. It is not fair, and we don't stand for it this morning. We want justice, and we want the government to do something about it.
How could it be that this nurse ran through 2 security posts without being assisted?
We cannot come here, leave our beds during 16 hours. Remember, there's a short staff, and the nurse come and is beaten, abused. She has a young baby, and she's now hospitalized with a skull fracture. It is really unfair, and we need the Minister of Health to step in. The security system at Jamaican Hospital is very poor. They're sleeping sometimes like they're mannequin in the store, and we need them to wake up.
Nurses Association again calls on the authorities to put measures in place to ensure that the safety of our staff is in place.
Chairman of the Southern Regional Health Authority, Wayne Chen, says the incident is upsetting and traumatic. Following a meeting, he says security changes are coming.
It was agreed that the private security contracted at the hospital will escort members of staff to their vehicles or to their pickup points, whether they're taking public transportation or being picked up by someone else, that they will have personal escorts, and this will be an arrangement going into the future.
He says the management is committed to staff safety, as evidenced by the doubling of CCTV from 50 to 100, noting the team will continue to make necessary changes. There will also be counseling for the injured nurse and her family, as well as other staff members. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.